In this video, we are going to be looking at the Rog FLOW 13 2023, which I got the version from Best Buy for $8.99. That does not come with a dedicated graphics card. We're going to be doing an unboxing and my initial impressions. In my unboxing, I try to do some ASMR, but unfortunately I have some background noise from my wife taking a Teams call. But besides that, the box looked clean. My brother-in-law's dog is out of town, and all he left us with was this picture that I have for you guys to show. I got some comments where people were saying they really thought my dog was cute. But yeah, in the box comes a pretty clean setup. It's a light laptop at 3 pounds, which is half a pound lighter than the M3 Pro MacBook Pro, which I still have but intend to return. I'll be doing some comparison there. So I think a lot of people, when thinking about the MacBook, they want a lightweight device that can play video games, and I think this device may be an option for some people. I picked it up for $8.99, so keep that in mind. It was uncharged, or it couldn't turn on actually when I got the device, but it did turn on after I plugged it in. I'm not sure if there is a plug or charge yet, this is just my initial impressions from setting it up, but the charge I did plug into is the one on the right, and it is a 100-watt charger. So some things I immediately noticed is that there was a lot of things to update, so you could hear the fan noise. And it was warm to the touch. It started off in performance mode, which is a setting in Armory Crate, but once you can turn it down, you could get lower fan noises. So I think if you're looking for a quiet performance, it will be silent mode, and after still downloading a lot of stuff, it turns down. So something compared to setting up a new M3 Pro is that, in my opinion, from what I noticed, it wasn't that loud or used the fans at all. It also needed a BIOS update, and surprisingly, after the BIOS update, I was not able to log in with my PIN again. I was actually needing to relog into my Windows account to reset the PIN. So I wondered what would have happened if perhaps I was traveling or didn't have internet, how the reset PIN works. I'm going to be testing out Dota 2 and some games, so be on the lookout on this channel for that. And then I'm also finishing up some tests on the M3 Pro. I did do a travel video while I was traveling for Thanksgiving, and I'll be taking this laptop to Australia. So be on the lookout to see my impressions on that.